अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है? ठीक हो आप हो? दोस्तों, बात करते हैं सोल प्रोटोकॉल प्रोजेक्ट की। स्टार्टअप गेट प्रोजेक्ट है। सोल प्रोटोकॉल सोल गेट आयु स्टार्टअप माइनिंग इंटेल ऑफरिंग स्टेट टू अर्न 1 million euro. Gate IO well list Sol protocol sold for spot trading on January 17, 2025 at 10 o'clock AM UTC to reward our user. You can stake GT or USDT in Sol protocol. Sol startup mining to share two lakh 72,000 Sol for free with reward value at 1 lakh. Do not miss the chance to seize this bonus. Airdrop detail: phase 1 12 p.m. 12 o'clock p.m. on January 15, 12 p.m. on January 20, UTC 2025. Trading protocol USDT new kernel. Get to earn now. Take to earn now. Unlock rules. 100% unlock participation requirement. First number, the system will distribute token reward to user support accounts every hours based on the proportion of assets staked by each user. Second number, newcomer exclusive stacking pool. Only new user house sign up after 16 p.m. on January 12, 2025 UTC are eligible. How to participate: log in your account, Gate IO account and complete identify verification. Navigate to the startup mining. Hold no less than 0.1 USDT, 0.1 GT, 0.5 Sol. Click stake now. New user how register during the mining period and complete a spot trading volume of a least 50 or future volume of at least 100. Well, share 20,000 based on their trading volume proportion. Submit. Sol protocol Sol spot trading start 10 o'clock am January 17, 2025 UTC. Deposit Sol at TPC www.gata.io. My account deposit Sol. Trade Sol and USDT Sol. Marketing market via ITPC www.gate.io trading solve USDT. Gate IO has already opened solve protocol solve pre-market OTC trading. The total mining reward are calculated based on the token price on peer market OTC as of the January 15. Visit solve pre-market OTC trading https www.gate.io pre-market solve pre-market OTC trading, FAQ, pre-market OTC trading tutorial, project information, provided by the Sol protocol teams. Please follow the Sol protocol solve website for me details. Introduction. Solve is a leading Bitcoin stacking protocol building a thriving Bitcoin interest financial ecosystem by unlocking liquidity and maximizing the utility for ideal Bitcoin asset. Token name Solve, token symbol Sol, maximum supply 9,066 lakh, dynamic make increase Y network governance for Bitcoin reserve offering. Gate token type BEP20 token contract HTPC. Token distribution and unlock rules. Partner your drops 7.00% of the Genesis token supplies, 6.09% of max token supply. Community drops 8.50% of the Genesis token supply, 7.39% of max token supply. Team as advisor 30.00% of the Genius tokens supply, 11.30% of max token supply. Community reward DAO treasury, 80.00% of the Genesis token supply, 50.65 of max token supply. Community reward external partner, 8.50% of the Genesis token supply, 7.39% of max token supply. Ecosystem development, 8.40% of the Genesis token supply, 7.08% of max token supply. Business development, 4.00% of the Genesis token supply is 3.48 supply of maximum max token supply. Private vesting voucher holder, 0.800% of the Genesis token supply. Private sale investor 28.86% of the Jensen's token supply, 25.10% of max token supply. Liquidity, 3.00% of the Jensen's token supply, 2.61% of max token supply. Bitcoin reserve offering, 0.00% of the Genesis token supply. 13.4% of the max token supply. Website https solve dot finance. White paper https docs dot solve dot finance. Note: GT token. GT is the unique exchange token of Gate.io exchange and the native token to Gatecoin public chain. Hold GT now at https www.gate.io trade GT USDT. New user reward is future voucher. Well, for 5 days, user must at least 50 in spot trading or 100 in future to claim the reward. Please complete identify verification before participating in startup to enhance the security of your account and asset. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. My cheating behavior is Any cheating behavior is prohibited. Any occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the reward, where any discrepancy arises between the translated version and the original English version. The English version shall prevail. Gate.io reserve our right to the final explanation. This event is not affiliated the people ends user the United Kingdom and other restrict location cannot access the service, including the participating in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement for future details on restrict location. Gate.io Lab investment disclosure. Gate.io Lab did not invest in Solve protocol. This project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its startup scale sale price. Please invest with location and do not invest behind your financial capacity. The startup project is still in this tail stage. Factor including the operation of underlying technology to the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks. Advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent of risk. Crypto asset investment. The market volatility is high and the price of token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory and marketing factor. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchased token due to technical issue of the project. Gate.io gateway to crypto. trade our 3500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate.io. Visit our official website, download Gate.io app, web now, follow us Gate.io X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram to discuss hot topics. Join our global community to get more updates. We provide 100% proof to reserve. Sign up to enjoy max 6,666 rupees in reward exclusive for new user. Get 40% commission for referral. Baby Shark project introduction. Baby Shark, the global Baby Shark global phenomenon with our 50 billions view and a billion fan is now making waves in the Web3 world, building on its immense popularity across platforms like YouTube, TV, the theme parks, Baby Shark. बेबी शार्क प्रोजेक्ट का तारुफ। बेबी शार्क 15 बिलियन से ज़्यादा आरआई और 1 बिलियन शायकीन के साथ आलमी रुझान अब वेब 3 की दुनिया में लहरें पैदा कर रहा है। यूट्यूब, टीवी और थीम पार्क्स जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म पर अपनी बेपनाह मकबूलियत को बढ़ाते हुए शार्क एक तरीकी जामिया और सारे दोस्त तजर्बा मुतारफ़ कराने के लिए ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी में डेटा अपने चैनल दिलकश और मशहूर जहन के साथ बेबी शार्क इनकलाब लाने के लिए तैयार है कि किस तरह मदा डिजिटल डेटा के साथ तामिल करते हैं, जदीद और दिलकश मौके पेश करते हैं। हैन बानी है जो इस प्रोजेक्ट की क़ियादत हैन की तरफ से की गई है। इस प्रोजेक्ट की क़ियादत हैन की तरफ से की गई है जो तालीम और टेक्नोलॉजी की पास मंज़र के साथ डिजिटल तब्दीली लेकर परजोश वकील हैं। बानी सीईओ के तौर पर वो तफरीह और ब्लॉकचेन के दरमियान फ़र्क को ख़त्म करने के लिए प्रोग्राम है जिसमें वेब 3 को आलमी सामीन के काबिल रसाई और लुत्फ़ बनाया जा रहा है। इनकी क़यादत में टीम एक नाकाबिल फरामोश तजर्बा फराहम करने के लिए तख्लीकी सलाहियतों और टेक्निकी महारतों को मिलाती है। बेबी शार्क, मैमी, बेबी शार्क, गेट आयो, जीटी होल्डर एक्सक्लूसिव योर ड्रॉप, स्टार्टअप पेशकश, बेबी शार्क 540 को मुफ्त में शेयर करें। Airdrop details, startup duration 9 o'clock am, 9 o'clock am, January 14 to 2025, 9 o'clock am, January 16, 2025, UTC startup supply 54,060 rupees. Baby Shark unlock rules 100% unlock. Trading start 13 o'clock p.m. 16 January 2025 UTC. Trading pairs Baby Shark USDT. Participation rules: hold 10 GT to share the total price pool based on your GT holdings. Snapshot proportion: the maximum your drop allocation per user is 2000 GT. Second, if you hold less than 10 GT but have at least 10 USD for assist, a portion of lucky user will be randomly selected to share a reward pool. How to claim your drop: log in and complete identify verification. Identity verification: navigate to the startup, hold no less than 10 USD spot asset, click hold GT, claim free startup pack. Project information: the information below is provided by the Baby Shark. Name: Baby Shark. Team: please follow Baby Shark Mammy, Baby Shark for more information. Introduction: Baby Shark, the global phenomenon with over 15 billions view and a billions fan is now making waves in the Web3 world, building on its immense popularity across platforms like YouTube, TV, and themes parks. Baby Shark dives into blockchain technology to introduce a fun, inclusive, and user-friendly experience. With its playful charm and iconic tune, Baby Shark is set the how to fan interact with the digital world, offering innovative the engaging. Baby Shark name, token name Baby Shark, Mammy, token symbol Baby Shark, maximum supply 1 billions, token symbol Soul, smart contact address, the token distribute. Token distribution ratio and unlocking rules लॉन्च और इसकी जो है TVS इसकी वेबसाइट को ओपन कर सकते हैं और इससे सोल स्कैन कर सकते हैं। थोड़ा इंटरनेट का मसला है, प्लीज़ फॉलो मी। इसकी प्रोफाइल समरी है। टोकन बेबी शार्क मेमी अनलॉक द पावर टू सोलोना विद Scan Pro API V2। इसके मार्केटिंग ओवरव्यू है, आप देख सकते हैं। प्रोफाइल समरी बेबी शार्क, इसकी ये सारी डिटेल है। प्राइस, मार्केट कैप, करंट सप्लाई, होल्डर्स, सोशल चैनल्स, टोकन नेम बेबी शार्क, Camel 6 authority, सात बेबी शार्क नेम बेबी स्टार्टअप FAQ। What is startup? Gate.io startup is the world's largest token launch platform where user can discover potential project, participate in startup, claim and receive token airdrops. Startup allocate token to user based on a share system. Eligible user can claim a certain number of shares. The more shares you can claim, the more token the more token you receive. About VIP for your drop. How can I be eligible to participate in startups? All users participating in startup claim are required to complete KYC2 verification and hold a balance of spot asset with not less than 10 USD. The higher the VIP level is, the more shares you can claim. You can claim more your drop by upgrading your VIP level. HTTPS www.gate.io enp. How many tokens can I receive? Token receive shares subscribed X token per share, X distribution ratio. Tokens per share and distribution ratio vary for each project. Please refer to the announcement of project your drop result. The more shares you subscribe, the more token you will receive. For example, if you subscribe for 5 shares and tokens per share is 1000, while the distribution ratio of startup is 0.001, you can receive X 100 1000 0.001 10 tokens. Do I need to pay the startup claims? Are there any trading fee charged? No funds are required when participating in free drop claims. If I have subscribed, I am guaranteed to receive tokens in the end. All VIP users are guaranteed to receive the airdrop, while non-VIP user participating in startup claim well follow the partial winning mechanism and were not guaranteed to receive startup airdrop tokens. Only part of lucky non-VIP user will be randomly selected for each project and evenly distributed. The airdrop allocation startup participation on a first come first served basis. No participation is not a first come first served basis for VIP user. The total allocation is distributed after the claim period ends based on the number of participants and their respective share ratio. For non-VIP user, the total airdrops amount varies by project, and the number of winners and your drop amount are not fixed. Do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in startup? For startup, your drop sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution after claim. How how many times can a participate in startup? You can participate in the same startup only once with each KYC account, but you can participate in other startup in progress. When will I get startup tokens? The final sales result will be announced before trading start. If my VIP level is upgrading after claim, will I receive more of your drops? User will have their VIP level verified during tokens distribution, and the final allocation they receive will be determined by their VIP level at the time of distribution. If the VIP level increase, the time claims share at the time of claim will be used for calculation. Can I change my claim shares? VIP user participating in startup your drop are deflated to the maximum claim higher share. The higher the VIP level, the more the shares can be accurate, leading to more your drop tokens. How much your drop non VIP user receive and when participating in startup? The total your drops amount for non VIP user will vary depending on the project. The number of winner and their drop amount are not fixed. After non VIP user participate in a claim, whether they win or not will be announced after the claim ends. You can check the result purchase history or on the project claim page. Can non-VIP user use startup voucher to participate in startup? Yes, they can. Non-VIP user how use startup voucher to join the claim will have their voucher benefit prioritized. Startup voucher guarantee 100% corresponding share, but users still need to hold spot asset of no less than 10 USD. Can non-VIP user participate in startup your drop multiple time? Yes, they can. Non-VIP user can participate in startup your drop for different project. Winner can be repeated across different projects. About GTA holder exclusive airdrop. What is GTA exclusive airdrop claim? GTA holder exclusive airdrop claim is an exclusive airdrop opportunity provided by Gate.io startup for GT token holder, allowing them to participate in the early stage project investment. What are the requirements to participate in GT holder exclusive airdrop claim? Participant must complete KYC2 verification and hold no less than 10 GT. Hold 10 GT to qualify for 100% GT holder exclusive free drop. Second, hold 10 GT with support is not less than 10 USD to participate in lucky draw of GT holder exclusive free drop with a chance to receive free drop tokens. Can I participate in multiple GT holder exclusive drop subscription at the same time? Yes, you can participate in subscription for multiple projects at the same time. Is there a lockup period for the subscribed GT token? Generally, GT token contributed by participant have no lockup period. How many shares can I claim? For GT holder with 10 GT, the allocation of available share varies for different project and the specific shares are subject to project announcement. Each user can claim up to 3000 share per project provided they hold at least 10 GT. For GT holders with 10 GT, they can participate in the GT holder holding exclusive free airdrop lucky draw with no less than 10 USD. Spot is a portion of lucky user well by randomly selected for each project, and the airdrop quote as well be distributed evenly among them. The total airdrop amount depend on the project with no fixed number of winner or winning amounts. How many token can I receive? Token you receive depend on GT holding. The more GT you hold, the more available share you can claim, and ultimately the more tokens you get. Token received, share subscribed, tokens per share, distribution ratio, tokens per share do not and distribution ratio vary for each project. Please refer to the announcement to project your drop result. The more shares you claim, the more tokens you will receive. Well, my token allocation decrease if my GT holding at the time of token distribution is lower than it was at the time of participation. Yes, your current GT holding will be deducted when token distribution happens, and if your GT holdings at the time of distribution are no less than actual GT holding at the time of participation, the allocation will be calculated based on your actual GT holding at the time of participation. Otherwise, the allocation will be calculated based on your GT holding at the time of distribution. You still need to hold no less than 10 GT to avoid potential claim failures. If you held 70 GT at the time of participation but only had 60 GT when token distribution happens, your allocation will be calculated based on 60 GT. However, if there were 80 GT when token distribution happens, your allocation will be calculated based on 70 GT. If I have participated, I am guaranteed to receive token in the end. First, hold 10 GT to qualify for 100% GT holder exclusive free or draw, but you still need to hold a no less than 10 GT when distribution happens. Hold 10 GT with support asset no less than 10 USD to participate in the lucky draw or draw of GT holder exclusive free or drop with a chance to receive free or drop tokens. Can I use startup voucher for startup star to participate in GT holder exclusive free or drop? No, startup voucher and startup star are only applicable to journal airdrop project and cannot be used for the GT holder exclusive free drop. When will I know the result of my subscription? The final subscription result will be announced before trading being. You can check the result in my spot account or subscription history. Participation tutorial. Log into Gate.io account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 USD or 10 GT, claim for your drops. Check the setup by setup tutorial. How to participate in startups. आप इस वीडियो को देख सकते हो और इससे कैसे फ्री और ड्रॉप हासिल कर सकते हैं प्रोजेक्ट आप देख सकते हैं
What is
इसमें।
Gate.io Startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early-stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here, participate in startup and receive free token airdrops. Startup has successfully launched over 1,000 projects, with total participants of 14 million, a subscription amount of more than $100 million, and APY of 16.49%. How many tokens I can claim? Non-VIP users will be randomly selected to win airdrops for each project. The total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, and the number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed, while for VIP users, they are 100% guaranteed to receive the airdrops. The higher your VIP tier, the more shares you can claim. Are there any requirements to claim Gate.io startup free airdrops? You only need to complete KYC verification and hold no less than $10 to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup. How to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup? First, log into your Gate.io account, click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification. Check your wallet and hold no less than $10 spot assets. Click on Startup on the homepage to access the startup page. Click on the projects in progress and click $0 free to claim. Navigate to the project page. You can check the project introduction here. Click $0 free to claim. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. Please note that there will be no fee deducted to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup. You only need to hold no less than $10 to join. In addition, Startup also provides exclusive airdrop subscription opportunities for users holding GT tokens, allowing them to participate in early-stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token. You can go to the startup page and enter the projects labeled GT Holders Exclusive. Then you can click Hold GT and claim free. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. You can check the airdrop results in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. By participating in startup subscriptions, you will have more access to some potential projects and stand a chance to reap substantial rewards in their early stages. What is Gate.io startup?
पार्टिसिपेशन क्वाइट फॉर वेब यूज़र, यहाँ पर क्लिक करेंगे। रेड कलर का निशान है गेट विद क्रिप्टो, एक साथ स्टार्टअप पे क्लिक करेंगे। ये देख सकते हैं। इसके बाद क्लिक ऑन ए प्रोजेक्ट, क्लेम फ्री, ये देख सकते हैं आप। और इसके साथ जो I have need read and the agreed claim agreement and click claim now to complete the claim। आप देख सकते हैं ये क्लेम नो पे क्लिक करेंगे। इसके साथ दोस्तों द पार्टिसिपेट इन GT होल्डर एक्सक्लूसिव ड्रॉप सिलेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट लेबल्ड GT होल्डर एक्सक्लूसिव एंड क्लिक होल GT क्लेम फ्री। और इस पर आप देख सकते हैं होल GT क्लेम फ्री पे जोर देंगे ये। और इसके साथ ये आप देख सकते हैं ये प्रोग्रेस और मोबाइल यूज़र के लिए ये तरीका है। फाइनेंस स्टार्टअप Click on the project progress to navigate claim project, the token launch platform for invited advanced project. इसका आप यहाँ जाएंगे claim free drops और इसके बाद आप यहाँ जाएंगे so free to claim और इसके साथ I have read the agreed subscription claim now यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे। उसके बाद so free next प्रोग्रेस जो है उस पर आएंगे, फ्री क्लेम करें और इसके साथ लेवल अपग्रेड करें। इसका ट्यूटोरियल एक दफ़ा फिर देखते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं इस वीडियो को और इससे कैसे करना है आप ये देख
What
सकते
is Gate.io Startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early-stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here, participate in Startup and receive free token airdrops. Startup has successfully launched over 1,000 projects, with total participants of 14 million, a subscription amount of more than $100 million, and APY of 16.49%. How many tokens I can claim? Non-VIP users will be randomly selected to win airdrops for each project. The total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, and the number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed, while for VIP users, they are 100% guaranteed to receive the airdrops. The higher your VIP tier, the more shares you can claim. Are there any requirements to claim Gate.io Startup free airdrops? You only need to complete KYC verification and hold no less than $10 to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. How to claim free airdrops
Thank you,
on
Gate user.
Gate.io Startup.
Very good,
First,
thank you,
log
welcome.
into your Gate.io account, click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification. Check your wallet and hold no less than $10 spot assets. Click on Startup on the homepage to access the startup page. Click on the projects in progress and click $0 free to claim. Navigate to the project page. You can check the project introduction here. Click $0 free to claim. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. Please note that there will be no fee deducted to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. You only need to hold no less than $10 to join. In addition, Startup also provides exclusive airdrop subscription opportunities for users holding GT tokens, allowing them to participate in early-stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token. You can go to the startup page and enter the projects labeled GT Holders Exclusive. Then you can click Hold GT and claim free. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. You can check the airdrop results in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. By participating in startup subscriptions, you will have more access to some potential projects and stand a chance to reap substantial rewards in their early stages. What is Gate.io Startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early-stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here, participate.
तो आपने ज्वाइन कैसे करना है तो Startup Referral Carnival. Invite friends to register or participate in startup for the first time. To win more airdrop, join now. invite friends, share the exclusive referral link with friends to invite them to register or join startup subscription successfully for the first time. Then they will be your wallet annuity. Second, and stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of wallet annuities. Within 30 days, the more trading volume of your invitee, the more star you can earn. Swip star, swip star for shares. Every 10 star can swip one startup share. More star can swip more shares. What is Startup Star? Startup Star is the exclusive reward of startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free drop. Every 10 star can swap one share with the cap of 40,000 star to swap shares for a project. You can swap share for as many projects as you can every day. How to earn Startup Star? New user, how complete a minimum of 10 in spot trading volume with 3 days after registration on this page can earn 100 startup star. Exciting user can invite new user to register, can no on gate.io or invite other user to participate in startup for the first time. Both new user and user participating in startup for the first time will be counted as your valid invitee. The system will daily calculate the trading volume of your valid invitees from the previous day. If the trading volume of the invitees from the previous day is not less than 1000 startup star will be distributed on the same day. The higher the trading volume, the more startup star you can earn. Trading volume, spot volume, future volume 40%. All users who participate in startup for the first time from this page can receive an additional 100 startup star. How to swipe startup star? Every 10 stars swip one share of VIP free drop. You can input the number of star upon subscription to claim extra share. You can use your startup star when participating in VIP free drop to claim extra free drops. Can I receive startup star every day? For invite to earn startup star are distributed daily in accordance with the daily trading volume of the invitees in a 30 days period. View the announcement for more details. The more invitees reach the volume requirement, the more startup star you will receive. Can I claim both the VIP default shares or startup vouchers and the startup star sweeping shares? Yes, you can claim both of them. Startup star sweeping shares or extra shares in addition to your VIP default shares or startup voucher. You can sweep startup star to receive extra shares of VIP free drop. There a valid period for startup star. Startup star are always valid, but the product upgrade or rules change may lead to the invalidation of the startup star. So please use your startup to sweep shares. The sooner the better. How many startup star can I earn by inviting friends? Startup star will be awarded based on the first subscription of your invited friend on their trading volume complete within 30 days following the registration. And Queen project सबसे पहले ये है डॉग चेन। Duck chain project introduction. Duck chain is the consumer layer driving mass adoption, improving Telegram billion user to embrace crypto through AI, EVM, and more. It currently serves over 20 billion users, including more than 2 billion daily active user DAU and over the million paid user the crypto VCS including DEO5 Tandem by Offchain Labs, Context and many others have invested in the projects. इसके बाद दोस्तों बात सकता है GPS गो प्लस और जीपीएस की जो प्रोग्रेस में इस टाइम लकी ड्रा और इसको फ्री क्लेम कर सकते हैं। और इसके बाद करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट इंट्रोडक्शन। गो प्लस सिक्योरिटी इज वेब 3 फास्ट डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड सिक्योरिटी लेयर ऑफरिंग comprehensive protection for very transactions across all blockchain network. It open premises and user driven architecture allows seamless integration for any blockchain or project, be safe guarding user at very setup of the transaction life cycle. Go Plus creates a more secure on-chain trading environment, ensuring peace of mind and trust in digital interaction. उसके बाद पढ़ते हैं CM Synamo नेटवर्क। Imagine travel a Synamo network project all travel on one chain. Synamo network is the first L1 billets specifically for the 11 trillion travel industry run by 100% established travel companies and backed by 10 million in funding. It solved critical industry pain points, high payment fees, slow settlement, and complex recognition. The network the network processing real business transaction with 200 bands, buildings, adopts and Web3 travel B2B and B2C product. और इसके साथ दोस्तों बात करते हैं वैलेट VERT वैलेट्स। Whereas project introduction, Whereas is a postal wallet on the Tron blockchain, aiming to build an extensive ECO of the DeFi product accessible directly through Telegram. This integration ensures of user-friendly experience, allowing for a smooth entry into the world of cryptocurrency by leveraging the tune, blockchain speed, scalability, and security, which is simplifies complex crypto process. इसके बाद बात करते हैं Vice is a platform developing the crypto space with the biggest and best price. The Vice platform is simple with the smiles and intuitive value transaction. The user answer multiple choice question to be eligible for voice competition pool purchase. Remax France is a liver GED farming the trading protocol that offers the highest APYs in the market and merging trading of an ultimate range of token on DEX on Primex. Brewers utilize leader liquidity to leveraging low risk asset like LST and LRT and RWA DEX DLEX LP position as well as merging trades asset on support DEX including those not do not available on CEX. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.